If you want to join our giveaways, check the description below and take a chance to win.
Sushi could hit $8,253 in 2022. Sushi's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem Sushi at $1,152 in 2022. Sushi's past all-time high was on 14 March 2021, where Sushi was valued at $23.38. Sushi's cost simultaneously last week was $1.37. It has moved by 0.83% in the previous week and is as of now at $1.44. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, Sushi has unloaded by 8,374%. There is a slight negative feeling in the crypto market. The drawn-out feeling, notwithstanding, stays bullish and Sushi could hit $23,961 in 2023. The complete coursing supply of Sushi as of compassing this video was $192,789,255,855, and the market cap of Sushi stays at $277,841,265. Significant disclaimer. For coins with practically no data of interest and inexistent verifiable information, the model as a matter of course will show a positive cost expectation. It is basically impossible for our AI bot to interpret white paper, tokenomics and group respectability. The coin's value that you are going to see beneath can fall definitely contingent upon many variables, so kindly contribute admirably subsequent to really taking a look at the group and undertaking's white paper. This ongoing value expectation is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should rigorously not be taken as a speculation exhortation. Albeit the best specialists are as of now tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has checked the cost anticipated underneath, so if it's not too much trouble, utilize your tact and pursue a choice carefully. Our Sushi cost expectation model considers a great deal of data of interest and factors to give the estimated worth of Sushi before long to come. No calculation, be that as it may, can be 100% precise, yet we endeavor to present to you the most dependable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses remembers Sushi's for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past verifiable information. Sushi's absolute exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past authentic information. Sushi's social opinion for August 2022 and past authentic information. Sushi's impending guide and developer movement for August 2022 and past authentic information. Sushi's enormous whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. Sushi's cost developments in view of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD and something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. Sushi price prediction. Sushi has had a significant 2021. To improve on the most recent Sushi cost forecast, we have split the expectation by momentary Sushi cost forecast and long-haul Sushi cost forecast. As of compassing this video, Sushi had an exchanging volume of $58,390,240. Sushi has increased 15,865% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, Sushi cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of Sushi at $6,149 and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $6.58. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, Sushi cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of Sushi at $20,433 and the most noteworthy conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $21,864. Sushi cost expectation 13 August 2022. Sushi's cost for 13 August 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $3,266 to $3,758, and the typical cost of sushi ought to be around $3,512. Sushi cost expectation 18 August 2022. Sushi's cost for 18 August 2022 as per our investigation ought to go between $4,215 to $4.85, and the typical cost of sushi ought to be around $4,532. Sushi cost expectation 23 August 2022. Sushi's cost for 23 August 2022 as per our investigation ought to run between $4,732 to $5,444, and the typical cost of sushi ought to be around $5,088. Sushi cost expectation 2 September 2022. Sushi's cost for 2 September 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $5,235 to $6,023, and the typical cost of sushi ought to be around $5,629. Sushi cost expectation October 2022. Sushi's cost for October 2022 as per our investigation ought to go between $5,719 to $6.58, and the typical cost of sushi ought to be around $6,149. Sushi cost expectation November 2022. Sushi's cost for November 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $6,058 to $6,969, and the typical cost of sushi ought to be around $6,513. Sushi cost expectation December 2022. Sushi's cost for December 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $6,396 to $7,359, and the typical cost of sushi ought to be around $6,877. Sushi's long-term price prediction. Sushi's drawn-out price prediction underneath is a gander at sushi's future possibility concerning cost. Sushi was most recently seen at $1.44, with a market cap of $277.840 when $265, and exchanging volumes of $58.390-240. Sushi's value expectation is conceivable by examining authentic cost activity, current turns of events and social feeling from the local area. Sushi cost expectation 2022. Sushi's cost for 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between $5,502 to $8,253, and the typical cost of sushi ought to be around $6,876.